who are present here. I, Anita Kyar, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Science and Engineering, VKIT. It's a great pleasure to welcome you all for the Day 5 session of 5 days value-added course on advanced applications of AWS Cloud, IoT and Cybersecurity, organized by the Department of Information Science and Engineering, VKIT. We are very privileged to introduce our speaker of today's session, Mr. Hemant Kumar A, Data Scientist, Data and AI Department, Preview. I now request Dr. P. Vanajakshi Ma'am, HOD and Professor, Department of Information Science and Engineering, to welcome our speaker of today's session with a token of applause. Thank you, ma'am. The objectives of today's session are to introduce the students to the basic concepts behind LLMs. LLM stands for Large Language Models. RAG is an AI framework that combines the capabilities of large language models, LLMs, with information retrieval systems to generate more accurate and relevant text. Retrieval augmented generation is a natural language processing technique that combines the strengths of both retrieval and generative based artificial intelligence models. Also to discuss the architectures that power large LLM models, focusing on transformers, attention mechanisms, and self-attention, and how they are used in models like GPT-3 and T5, and also to explain the process of training the large language models, including the data collection process, tokenization, pre-training versus fine-tuning, and also the computational resources required. I now request our HOD, Department of Information Science and Engineering, Dr. P. Vanajakshi Ma'am, to brief about the session, and also I take a privilege to welcome our speaker of today's session, Mr. Hemant Kumar A, Data Scientist, Data and AI Department, Brilio. It's a privilege to have you here with us today, sir, and thank you very much and welcome you again, sir.
Good morning to all. So today we have arranged the session on large language models using artificial intelligence. It is a part of natural language processing. So nowadays artificial intelligence playing a very important role in our daily life and in solving the societal issues. So in that case, one of the artificial intelligence subjects they are introduced for 5th semester level. In that, they are given according to the university instructions. So they are given 25 marks for learning the case studies, for the implementation of some coding techniques, and again exploring the tools related to the artificial intelligence. So that is a part of curriculum also. That's why we are decided to conduct this session for a 5th semester, particularly 5th semester, but 3rd semester students, you have to learn more on artificial intelligence and again related techniques. So for that, we are combining both the 3rd and 5th semester for this session. So for the 5th semester, we are going to conduct, we are going to take the attendance as compulsory for all the students. So according to the university instruction is to conduct and for implementation of the tools and exploration of the tools. So for that you have to attend. So from the beginning, we are going to monitor your attendance. At the end also we are going to take the attendance. So that's why what I would like to tell is, Hemant Kumar, Mr. Hemant Kumar, data scientist. So HRD ಅವರು ನಮ್ಮೂರವರು ಮಂಡ್ಯದವರು. So I am very happy to announce our speaker today, Hemant Kumar, data, and again he is working in a very good company, and you can discuss. ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, you have to discuss with the speaker at the end of the session. So they have worked towards the technology to get a good job, right? So next you have to go for a company, right? So you have to utilize this opportunity. So speaker ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಆ ಥರ ಅಲ್ಲ. So even they are achieved their whatever they have thought in their mind, so their goals, so everything they achieved in a span of 24 years, right? So they are young minds, and they will share the thoughts and ideas. You have to discuss with each speaker regarding how to improve your knowledge in the technology, and again how to go with a different set of courses. Online courses are there, so and again free courses are there. So in some of the websites they are given free courses for the artificial intelligence. Even IBM also, so they are given a free course to learn. But what you have to do for taking exam, you have to pay the amount. To get the certificate, you have to pay the amount. For learning the concept, no need to pay the amount. So for that you have to register for some, check the websites, and again speaker also give you the details.